Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis for Pickin in the Hood. Why? Because we pick in the hood too. Don't forget that. Yeah. Hey, I just want to make a video about some stuff that I bought, and I'm gonna learn how to use it myself. Yeah, I came across something in the thrift store that I never seen before, and yeah, I looked at them. They was $1 a piece. So I looked at and read the instructions, and I said, damn, this might be some good stuff. So I looked it up on eBay, and they sell them for $19.50 a piece. $19.50 a piece. They wanted $1 for them. So I talked to the guy and asked him if I buy the whole box, how much could I get them for? Now, one of the guys said it was 20 of them in here, but I could look at the box and tell it's way more than 20. So I said, he said it's like 20 or 30 in there. So he said, just give me $20 for the box. So I gave him $20. It turns out it's like 52 in here. 52 of them. And that's what you want when you're looking for stuff. You want stuff you can sell over and over again. I can sell one or two of these a week and be happy. You know, but they work so good, I guess, from what I read on the internet and what I saw on video, but we finna test them right now. And I'm getting ready to show you what they are. And in a few seconds. And I like to keep suspense up. You know what I'm saying? You guys gonna love it when you see it. And you're gonna be ordering it. You're gonna be going on my website getting it as soon as I show you what's going down. Hey, first of all, I'm Kevin from St. Louis. My YouTube page is Pickin in the Hood, because we pick in the hood too. Don't forget that. Yeah, you American pickers, y'all pick in the farms and pick on the back roads. I pick in the hood. Yeah. But anyway, we finna test this thing out. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment. I'll get back with you. Talk to you about it. You know, maybe you can give me some pointers. You know what I'm saying? But we finna do this together right here. Then I'm finna show you what I bought. Look. This thing right here. See this? Guarantee you can't guess what that is. I knew what it was when I saw this piece right here. I saw this piece right there. I knew what it was. This is a knife sharpener. It's called Sharp Shark. Sharp Shark. The best ever knife sharpener. We get ready to see. You know what I'm saying? First of all, the instructions say, let me get my phone down. The instructions say, hold on, let me get my phone down. First of all, the instructions say, you know, you gotta put it on a level surface. See this little suction cup thing on the bottom? Did you see the price on there? $1. But anyway, see this little suction cup thing on the bottom? You gotta make sure that's secured to something flat, okay? And so what we're gonna do, let me turn you around right here. Let me turn you around. Okay, I turned you around. What we're gonna do, see, I'm gonna secure it to this part of my truck. Push it down. Hopefully they're stable enough. See how it sticks real good. Okay. Then I got some knives that I bought. I always buy knives from the thrift stores. These knives are 50 cents. See this knife? Now let me show you. I got a cardboard box right here. Look. That baby ain't cutting at all. Look at her. It's barely cutting. Look at her. See how dull that is? We get ready to see. Stick the knife in like this. And it say 2 or 3 times. So we're gonna go. And it's dull as hell. It won't even go. Hold on, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm doing it wrong way. We gotta go this way. Okay? Yeah, I did it wrong. Sometimes we do stuff wrong in the hood. You know what I'm saying? And that was wrong. So you stick it in and you pull it towards you. What the? Hold on, y'all. I gotta make this stick. You suck. That was sticking at first. Now it's not sticking. Okay. Now you stick it in, and you pull it towards you. 3 times. 1, 2. They said if it's real dull, do it 4 times. So I'm gonna do it 4 times because it was dull as hell. It ain't even in there. That's 2, 3, 4. Now we finna see. See that box? Whoa! Look at that! Woo! Oh my God! Oh ho ho ho! Let me do it one more time. Might get a little sharper. See that metal falling off of there? Yeah, hold on. Let's go to court. See? See that? Won't cut. Okay, we finna. Remember, pull towards you. You suck! Okay, here we go, y'all. Put it in. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do 4. 4. Woo. Yeah, I did it 4 times. We get ready to cut. Yeah, let me turn this box around right here so you guys can see. See that? Hold on. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Hold on, one more time. Woohoo! I'm gonna sharpen this a little more though, but you saw how sharp that is. You saw it. So this thing works. Everybody should buy one of these from me. If you got a knife. It works really good. Let me turn you back around. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it works really good. Hey, you guys, my eBay store is McPike69. You can look on, that's my last name, 69. You can look on there and you can see these on there for $17.99. If you leave your name, $17.50. If you leave your name, a comment, your name, say you saw me on YouTube, I'll sell it to you for $12. Okay? $12 plus shipping. You can't beat that. They sell it for $19 on there or more. And I also want to tell you that thanks for watching my YouTube page. You know, I just wanted to demonstrate this and learn how to use it with you there too. Because I do collect, I don't collect knives, but I buy knives if they look right, if they look old, I buy them and use them at home because I cook. I'm not a chef, but I cook, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But leave a comment, tell me why you didn't like it, so I can improve what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if this guy walking this way. I'm new at this, so I'm not good at recording videos. I'm new at this, so give a thumbs up, a thumbs down, and leave a comment. And if you leave a comment, like I said, you leave a comment down there, or if you leave a comment on my eBay page, and you leave a comment, say you saw my video, I'll give you $12.50 or whatever. You leave a comment and say you saw this video and you want to buy one on YouTube, I'll give you the same price. Okay? Yeah. Just remember, thumbs up, thumbs down. I prefer thumbs up though. Yeah. But anyway, you all take it easy. Have a good day. And I'll see y'all later. Yeah. Picking in the hood too. Why? Because we pick in the hood too. Peace. Yeah.